guys, it's Valerie. So welcome back to my channel. So we are at Vlogmas number 4. So I know that I missed day 2, but that's not okay. But it's okay because it's my first year doing Vlogmas and I'm super nervous. I'm in final season right now with my classes, so I'm really trying to get my ish together with school and with vlogging and with my internship and with work and with working out and trying to keep up and start to keep it's a lot, but I'm still doing Vlogmas. So let's get right onto the video. So this Vlogmas, as you guys can tell, I'm going to be reviewing these lashes that I got from ARISON Lashes. Literally, they sent me their Christmas holiday lashes. Now guys, these lashes are super beautiful. I cannot wait to show you guys. These lashes are the perfect gift for you guys to give to someone who really loves makeup for Christmas, whether that be your significant other, whether that's your sister, your mother, whoever it may be, your boyfriend. I don't know, you know what I mean? I don't judge nowadays. Everyone's just everyone. These are the perfect lashes to give to someone who really loves makeup and who really loves lashes. First things first, the packaging is super beautiful for these lashes, and this is the perfect Christmas gift. And the reason that I'm saying that is because you have the option to get it in black or you have the option to get it in white. Now I picked mine out in white because I don't know, I just picked it out in white, which I shouldn't, because like dark skinned girls typically get everything white dirty. Like I really should have picked black, but whatever. I have the white. Look at this, it's washing me out. I should have gotten black because black would have been like honey, but I got it in white. Now do you see the decoration and the detail? Like this is super beautiful. Like the whole packaging is in white. So this is from ARISON Lashes. We're working together to show you guys the different types of lashes that they're having for the holiday season. Now what I really like about ARISON Lashes is that they have these on Amazon. So they provide these lashes on Amazon, so if you do have Amazon Prime, you do get them within 2 days. So Amazon Prime, if you're a student, don't forget to use your student access. It's only $6 a month, I believe, but I got these in 2 days. So literally when you open up the box, I'm going to show you, super exciting. The box doesn't want to open. So when you open up the box, you really thought this was like this, but no, they are so smart. It's literally a Christmas card that they put under here to give you that beautiful Christmas effect. Ha, you thought. But I really like this Christmas card because literally these lashes, it comes with a Christmas card. So right here, and it gives you some details in the back. And it tells you that there are 8 boxes of gorgeous lashes. They are super gorgeous. So in here, you're able to write out either your Christmas card, like what do you want to say to the person, or you have the option to write it out in here, or you can do a tree pop out, and they have the steps right here as to how to do the tree, and then when you open the card, it will literally pop out just like this. So it's super beautiful. So literally when you buy the box of lashes, this could literally be a gift for someone. You don't have to get them anything else because literally you have the card inside the box and you have the lashes in here. So 2 in 1, you can't go wrong with that. So inside I have 8 pairs of lashes. They know me so well. I love lashes. Like for someone who really loves lashes, this would be the perfect gift. I keep saying that, but it's the truth. Get your homies some lashes this winter, you know what I mean? And 8 pairs of lashes will last you literally till the end of the year, if not more, because if you take care of your lashes, there's no reason why they should not last you a long time. So here are the top lashes. So it's literally in red and white, which I think is super cute for Christmas. Now it has natural lashes, medium lashes, medium full lashes, and bam lashes. So it gives you a wide variety of what type of lashes that you can do. So when you lift up the top lashes, there are more styles of lashes underneath. You just have a lot of lashes in here, and like I said, there's a wide variety. So if you want to go glam one day, you have the opportunity, and if you want to go natural one day, you do have the luxury to do that. Now it comes in a beautiful sparkly container, and then when you turn it around, it does have writing in the back. Now this is called washing machine vacuum cleaner. I'm not really sure what this is what's going on, but that's just, all of them have something different in the back. Alpaca, popcorn, and then this one is toilet plunger, Donald J. Trump. So this lash literally says toilet plunger, Donald J. Trump. What? I don't know. So these are the first 4 lashes. So I'm gonna go ahead and try some of these lashes on for you guys so you're able to see the lashes. So let's get started. So I'm gonna start off with this white one right here first. I'm gonna start out with the white one first. So the white one is just like this, and when you turn it around, it says Donald Trump toilet plunger. Now to open up these lashes, how do they open up is the question. Okay, so to open it up, you literally just pull the top off. I really want to know what this Donald Trump thing is about. So these are the lashes. I guess that's the name. Merry Christmas. I don't know what the cards are about. It's really interesting. I don't want my lashes to be called Donald Trump because I just don't want my lashes to be called Donald Trump. Anyways, I am going to go ahead and apply these lashes for you guys. So in this video, I'm also going to be showing you guys how to apply lashes correctly. So the first step is you're gonna need tweezers. So tweezers are really an essential tool when applying lashes. It makes the process super easy and super effortlessly. Like honestly, it's so easy putting lashes on with tweezers. It's also easy to put lashes on with just your fingers. Now just for safety purposes, I'm going to use a tweezer, and for sanitation, I don't want to use my bare hands, my fingers, even though I know they're clean. I'm just gonna use tweezers. Now, the reason why I say tweezers are super easy is because you can literally go into the box and peel the lashes out just like this. So just like that, the lashes are out. So you just wanna hold the lashes in the middle, just like that. So now we're looking at the detail of the lashes. And these lashes are really good because, as you can see, the band is very curvy. Now you don't want the band of your lashes to ever be straight. Do you see that curve right there? Just like that. Because our eyes do have the curve, and as you're applying your lashes to your eyeliner or on your eyelid, it's super easy. Now if it was straight, it would be a different situation. You don't ever want to apply straight lashes. I mean, you can, but it's just a little bit harder. It depends on how much of a pro you are at lashes. I'm not a pro. I'm a go with it girl. So that's how I learned makeup. Go with it and see how it goes. Now, the glue that I'm gonna be using is my Duo Dark Tone eyelash glue. So it just looks like this. I got this on Amazon for like $3-4. You can also find this glue at Walgreens, Walmart, CVS, your local beauty supply store. But my friend Asia does have a brush on eyelash glue that I see that is super interesting and it's super easy, and I'm gonna want one for Christmas. So Asia, if you're watching, that is what I want, your eyelash glue. But this is what I have, so that's what I'm gonna use. So literally I'm going to rip a piece of carton just like that, and then I'm gonna take the lash glue and I am going to just apply some on the carton just like that. Now that we have a little bit, I don't like to apply too much glue, but you want to apply just enough so your lashes stay on for the day. I place the lashes like this, so this one goes in my right eye and this one goes in my left eye. So first off, you do want to measure the lashes to make sure that it is your eye shape length. You don't want it to be too long because then it will make your eyes look droopy, and you don't want it to be too short because then it will look funny. So let's see. So if I do like, now when you apply your lashes, you want to hold the lashes in the middle just like that. And then you want to bring it down. I typically like to look down into the mirror and take the lashes and place it right in the middle to try to measure your eyes, just like that. And these lashes are too long for my eyes. So as you can see, do you see that extra right over here? It's making my eyes look a little droopy. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it just a little bit to match my eye length shape. So now it is too long, so I'm gonna take my scissors, and you never want to cut it off at the beginning of the lash. You want to cut it off at the end of the lash. So I'm gonna take my scissors and cut it just like that. So now I've cut it enough to match my eye shape. So I'm gonna take my tweezers again, that glue, and apply a thin layer of glue onto. So I'm gonna measure the other eye and I'm going to apply glue to the other lash strip, so by the time I do all that, the other one will be ready to go. Now when you apply the glue onto the lash strip, you just want to wait 30 seconds. You want it to get a little bit gooey because it sticks on better. You don't want it to wait too long because then it gets a little too dry and then it won't stick onto your eyes. It won't stick onto the lashes won't stick. So now that I've waited 30 seconds, I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you guys in a little bit. So I'm gonna take the lashes and place it in the middle, just like this. I'm gonna look down so you guys are able to see, just like that. You wanna place it in the middle. And then you wanna always take the end of the lashes first and make sure you get it on the tail. In the beginning of the lashes, you wanna glue that down right here as well. So just like that. So I like these. They're beautiful. They're super natural. You know that there are lashes there, but at the same time, it's not too much. Like, it's super natural. That's what I like about lashes. Like, I love a natural lash. Like, I love BAM too, but I'm all about natural lashes. So this is Toilet Plunger Donald J. Trump. I'm not sure if this is the name of the lash, but this is just what I got. I don't know. So these are the natural lashes. So I'm gonna remove these and place them back into the lash box, and I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the other lashes. Now it's the same thing, it's just cutting the lash, applying it onto your eyelid. So I'm gonna go ahead and model each of these for you guys so you're able to see what type of lashes and the effects that you're getting. So I'm gonna fast forward through everything because it's gonna be kind of long. So yeah, just keep on watching. So the next one is called Washing Machine Vacuum Cleaner. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply these on for you guys. Alright, so I'm guessing these are more so natural pair of lashes. Alright guys, so we're finally on the last pair of lashes. Like, this took a total of 45 minutes, whereas to removing the lashes, grabbing the new lashes, doing a pretty display so I can do for Instagram, cutting the lashes, putting the glue on the lashes, putting the lashes on. This was a lot for my Vlogmas, so you guys better be proud of me. This one is the Sumo Wrestling Fire Extinguisher. Ooh, fire. How do you say fire? Fire. Fuego! Fuego. Just so you guys know the pricing of the lashes, I'm gonna go back into my Amazon orders so I can tell you guys the exact price. These lashes retail for $20. So you get 8 pairs of lashes for $20. And you get a Christmas card on top of that. So if you guys are interested in buying these lashes, I'll leave the link down below for you guys, and I will also leave the pricing and everything down below for you guys. So literally, this was my review on the lashes. So the lashes are also super comfortable. Like, I don't even feel like I have them on, but that all goes to play with how you apply your lashes, like how you cut them, if they're custom to your eyes, and just applying just the right amount of glue to the lashes so they're not too uncomfortable and tight. So these lashes are super comfortable. I did show you guys before the curve on the lashes, and they're super curvy, not straight. You want it curvy anyways. Curvy women, oh yeah, add a little fat to that. Anyways, you want it curvy anyways because it just goes along your eye shape length, which is really good. And honestly, the quality of these lashes are super cool. I mean, they don't feel fake at all. It's nice and soft. I really like them. For $20, you can't beat that. So thank you guys for watching my review on the ARISON lashes. I'm super excited for you guys to try out these lashes, and if you guys do try out the lashes, tag me in your videos, tag me in your photos, so I can tag them too, or you can tag them yourself, so I can see how you guys apply your lashes, and let me know if the tips that I gave you guys in this video actually work. So thank you guys for watching my Vlogmas video of how to apply your lashes in the ARISON lash review. See you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.